Good morning, third graders. How are we doing today? Did anyone see the hail that came down last night? That was crazy. Some were as big as marbles. It was so cool. Does anyone remember from our weather unit at the beginning of the year what caused hail? Do you remember? Think about it. And tomorrow when we do a Google Meet, we'll see if you remember. I'm thinking tomorrow we should do a Google Meet at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. tomorrow on Thursday. Let me know if that doesn't work, if some other teacher's having it at the same time and you need the device or whatever, and we can modify it. But for now, let's plan on Thursday at 10 a.m. so we can wish each other well. I wanted to show you something that's not new at all. Anyone remember the name of what we call this when we have like a long solid thing on the top and several bars on the bottom? Do you remember? Starts with a T. That's right, tape diagram. A lot of teachers use different names. I'm using the name that Greg Tang uses, so that's just where we're going. I wanted to review this because in math today you have an activity that practices identifying which is the correct tape diagram that you should be using. So let's look at this. This is nothing more than 3 boxes. But I wanted to show you that these 2 bottom boxes, when put right next to each other, are the exact same length as my total. So let's think about it. What if I said I ate 2 cookies in the morning and 3 cookies in the afternoon? How many cookies would equal that same distance? This was 2, this was 3. How many would be on the top? What do you think? Did you say 5? That's right. So we can use this for big numbers too. Let's say I walked 3,000 steps on Monday and 2,000 steps on Tuesday. How many steps did I walk in both days? Well, I'm going to put them together to get my total. But not all problems in life are combining 2 smaller numbers. For example, what if I said I walked 5,000 steps on Monday and Tuesday? I walked 1,000 on Monday. How many did I walk on Tuesday? Notice that this is still going to line up here because these 2 have to equal my total number of 5,000. See how I can use it? We have to be careful not to just plunk in numbers wherever. These 2 bottom numbers always have to add up to the top number. And I can move it to show you that. Sometimes I can do things, now this may take me a little bit. I walk 2 miles on Monday, 2 miles on Tuesday, 2 miles on Wednesday, and 2 miles on Thursday. That really is 4 groups, remember, groups of 2. So I want to find a box that equals that. Now this is where that one's not long enough. Here we go. What number should I put in that brown box? Because I have 4 groups of 2. 2. 2. 2. What should I put in that brown box? Everyone know? I'm going to put an 8. It's easy for some people when they see this problem to say, oh, I have a 4 and a 2. I'm going to put a 4 here and a 2 there. But that's not really what the problem was saying, was it? You have to really read and say, do I have 4 groups of 2? Or do I just have 2 numbers I'm adding together? Here's another one. While we're using this, hang on, what if I did a longer, I got to put the eraser back. What if I did a longer one like this, and I said, how many groups of 2 can make 12? Well, I don't know how many boxes, so I'm just going to continue to skip count by 2 until I get to that 12. Because it's mystery number times